Hello from Fairshare IT Services. Fairshare supports around 150 clients for their website maintenance. Now, we also provide them a facility where we, on their behalf, create Google Analytics account and set it up for their property, like in this case, the website. So the idea is that if they need to know anything, any information about the usage of the website, then they can find out. But inherently what happens is that the business owners find it very complicated to navigate through Google Analytics web portal. So for that, what we have done is that we give them the access. That is the first step, of course, because if they are technically solid, then they can always go and then take a look and then fine tune the reports also. But in most of the cases, they just need like a simple default report. So for such clients, instead of they logging into Google Analytics, how can they get a report automatically as an email? So these are the steps for that. So what you need to do is navigate to their property, then go to settings here on the left bottom corner, click on the admin button. If you scroll a little bit down, then you will find property access management. Click on that. So here in this case, in the access management, you will find two main IDs. So like Ani at 24 by 7 exam.com, that is the ID I want to schedule the report for. So I'm not going to add anything. Otherwise, I'll click on the plus button and then add the users with some role here. Okay, I'll close this for now. Then I'll go back to this kind of tab comes up on the left hand side sidebar. I'll click on reports. Then you'll see the standard share button. So click on share button. If you want to send an email as just one time report, you can always click on send email, then fill in the details here and then send that. But that is not the purpose of this video. So I'll go back. I'll click on schedule email. So I will not change the report name. I'll just keep it like this. Here I'll say fair share weekly report for your website. Then here in the enter email address, the email address that you are given access to, those will show up here. So I'm going to choose ani at 24 by 7 exam.com. Then here I'll choose a date. So in the date, let me start it from the next month. So I scroll down a little bit, choose 1st of July. Then I want to send a weekly report. So here I'll choose the frequency as weekly. Now here is a little bit of limitation. The maximum number of months this automatic scheduling is active for is 12 months. There is not much you can do about it. That is the maximum the interface provides. So choose 12 months. What you can do is that you can put a reminder for yourself in a calendar and your team as well, that after 12 months you have to go here and then reschedule it. But this takes hardly 5 minutes per client, so that should not be too bad at all, right? So once this is scheduled, click on the save button and just hope that you'll get an email as per Google promises. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.